Hi guys, we are in Piran. We were actually babysitting our 2 years old niece. We were with her for like few hours. I don't know, a lot of hours. I am so tired now because she is a wild child. And now her parents returned, and now we are going to the center of Piran, to grab some coffee, a bit of rest, a bit of sun, and then I think we're going back to have some lunch. Beautiful. Whoa, the view. Oh my god. It is gorgeous. Wait till you see it around the corner. Okay, this view is next level. How gorgeous. Oh, look at this. I passed here I don't know, I think we went here a million times, 100 times, and it's still it's just so beautiful. Each time is something else. It's special, it's extra. I adore Piran. It is so beautiful. In general, Seaside in Slovenia is beautiful, but Piran is, I don't know, just something else. You gotta watch where you're walking. Welcome to Tartini Square. This is my favorite place in Piran because I just remember it from elementary school. We were here and I just love it since. There's a lot of people already, so. We had a nice coffee next to the seaside. As you saw, it was beautiful but a bit cold. It was kind of a windy, so we were freezing already. Now we're going back to our family's house, and then we're gonna eat something, and then we're just gonna probably head home. So yeah. And this is where we have to go back. It's quite hard. Since it's so beautiful, I'm gonna finish the vlog here. One last time, had this beautiful view. Oh, I'm so tired. Anyways, thank you for watching. I appreciate that. Like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.